Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to convert your strong tokens to strong R. So I've got a few strong tokens and I want to convert them to strong. As you can see, I've got 14 strong and I want them to be stronger so I can be able to make a node. Start by clicking the three lines on the left, then go to browser over here. It will take you to Uniswap. So once you're there, just click on connect wallet. Then you'll get an option as to which wallet you want to connect. As for me, it automatically connected because I've done this before. So now click here to choose which coin you want to swap. So we are going to write strong because that's what we have. And then down here we choose which coin we want it to be swapped to, which is stronger. And here we can see the fees. When you click down, you can see a summary of the fees. If you're happy, go click on swap and then it will tell you to connect it to MetaMask. So do that and then it will take you to your wallet and it will tell you to approve the transaction. So click on approve. You can see these are the fees here. I'm not gonna lie, I actually had to do this a couple of times because it kept taking me back to MetaMask where there was no transaction to approve. Then finally I got it approved. So it takes you back to this Uniswap. You click again swap. I did go back and forth, but eventually I got it. Then you're going to confirm swap. There's a lot of transactions that I had to do. See, it keeps telling me to go back to MetaMask. And this bit here was there for so long. I waited for more than 10 minutes. Then I gave up and I closed it, and then I came back a few minutes later. Tried it again. It was open for like 10 minutes, wasn't showing the amount, but eventually after some time it did show me the amount. Once I tried it like 3 times. Once it showed me the amount, I just clicked on confirm, and because the transaction was waiting for a very long time, once it went through, it told me to accept price updates, which I clicked accept over here. And then again I went to another confirm swap and paying fees. I'm not sure if all the fees I paid throughout the process were actually taken out from my MetaMask, but then again here I did confirm. If you guys watch the time on the top left, you're going to see how long this actually took me. But eventually, after clicking swap, pay transaction, accept fees, eventually I did get to it, and all my strong, as you can see here, they've been turned into stronger. And let me know below in the comments if you guys had the same problems or if your transactions was smooth. That's it guys, thank you for watching. If you've liked my video, please show me your support by hitting on the like, subscribe to get those notification bells.